2024 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.